Hi everyone.
How can us lose and miss the moment? You just too important. Nobody do body like you do. I can't lose.
Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Another vibe. It's your girl Gloria, and I'm back again with another video. Say, spend the weekend with me. So currently I'm here. My hair is not done yet, as you can see. I'm so sorry. So before we start the weekend vlog, I have a few unboxing to do. So the time that I was unboxing my camera, I make mention like I'll get small tripod and also like a bag and a light for my camera. Yeah, I did. Clap for Gloria. So here is the light I got for my camera. I'm so happy. So let's just unbox together. Yeah, I'm using my camera to record. So later I'll put it on and I'll show you how it looks. It comes with this charger for the light and it's Type-C. Yeah. And I say here is the light itself. Oh my god, it looks pretty. And they have this thing inside. You have to read, but I don't need it. I'm expect, okay? Anyways, here is the new light. Oh my god, it looks so small. I have these beautiful details at the back. Yeah. So how do I do? And I have this side that you have to put it in the camera, or if you have a tripod you can put it in the tripod, but I'll be using this for my camera because I have that thing on top of my camera, so I just press it in. We're gonna try it on, but do I have to charge before using? Oh, it's on. I mean, I don't know much about it. How do I make it the bright high? Okay, let's see. Oh, here is where you can change the colors of the light. Hold on, how do I turn it off? And all I have to do is, just to press it here. And there you go, but I'll do it later.
Wouldn't wanna leave, I wouldn't wanna bleed. My heart, my mind, and my body.
I'm like, it's so cute. Yeah. Oh my god. Everything about it, the details, and it's too small, like literally. That's nice. And the next package, I get a bag for my camera, like guys, and this time is black, it's not pink. Thank you. People will come for me and pink. This is how it looks. So cute. I have a lot of space inside, like literally this is the big seat at the top here. Oh, okay. And inside got this strap, and I don't know how, but I have this space inside, and on this side we have small pocket, and also we have this small zip on the top. Oh my god, it's cute, and I literally fit my camera and everything that I own for my camera. Literally, I love this. It's so cute. And alongside that, speaking of that, I got these beautiful hangers. Like, hello. There we go. And this one too. I love silver. I don't know. I got this in white. Yeah. I think I'm gonna put one on the zip. Maybe. Yeah, I'll put it on the zip actually. Okay. It on is black. It's the small tripod I got. Yeah. Hold up. For my camera. Already I have the big ones. With the small tripod. Oh my god, it looks so mini. The tripod comes with phone stand actually. Yeah, for my phone. I have this thing for camera or tripod. I mean, I like it. I only need this. The main things. Ooh, so small. Oh my god. Okay, now my camera will be looking cute. It's so small. Okay, can I put it up? I think I can. Oh, okay. I can't go any more for that thing. here. This is how long you can go. I have this standing. I mean, it's too small and I like it. Oh my god, look at the details. I have a little bit red on this side and have red and black. It's gonna be looking cute. Okay, now you know I'm that girl.
Look like Halle Berry, but she don't love me, she's too scary. My hope is fun like Jackie Brown. I wanna know what she can do.
I'm super happy to have this here, so that it will fit in this bag actually, everything. And I have video, and I got 2 phone case. So beautiful. I don't really like using black actually. It doesn't give, you know, that girly vibe. I don't really like, so we're gonna use this one. And that's how we go. Oh my god, she is eating up. Okay. Just look at the details. It matches very good. I mean, I like it. But currently, I've been keeping my stuff in this painting here. I have my battery case, like this where I charge my camera battery, and the cable with plug, and I have my power bank, you know, it's necessary, and I have my 2 extra battery inside here. But for now, all will be in this bag. Everything will fit in perfect. So this weekend vlog is gonna be amazing, and guess what, it's almost my brother's birthday, so I'll take you along with me to go to get something for him. I'm gonna do a lot this weekend and I'm taking you along, okay? So currently I'm about to go to Lidl to get some stuff. After all this year, I'll be going to Lidl and I'll take you all with me, and I'm using my, you know, my new baby girl. And I feel so shy recording with my camera, and I don't know if anyone know much about camera. Let me know, because I don't know if the settings is good or not. But for now, I mean, the way I'm looking, I like it so much, and I'm learning a lot every day. So anyone have anything to say about camera or whatever, so drop onto the comment section. I love y'all. So that's actually pretty much what I want to show you all. Let me just put myself together, then we go to Lidl together. That's what I'm going. I want to be dancing with you forever. You see through the storm and take me as I am. Baby, it's magic every time I look to you. I'm because hold you for Okay, so currently I'm on my way going to Lidl, and I'm taking y'all with me. After that, we will go pick Ariana from school. Yeah, my baby girl, you know, I'm auntie. Yeah, rich auntie, period. And then we will go and find something for Kel because it's almost his birthday. Yeah, so come with me, let's go do everything together. I don't know how you're gonna see this, but I'm using the back camera though, so yeah. I don't see myself, so it's gonna be spicy, and I'm so sorry. I'm outside, so yeah, literally gonna be hearing a lot of noise here, but I'm using my camera. That's so cute. I wanna see myself so badly, like here. So that's, I mean, all I have for you all for now. But yeah, I'm super excited. And how do I look with this shade? Do I look good? Let me know. So yeah, we are still going. Lidl is right there. Yeah. I wanna be in your life until the night is over. I wanna hold you so tight, coming closer. It's been a hell of a ride, but every single moment you were there by my side. Whenever I'm around, you make me feel low. Whenever
be dancing with you forever. You see through the storm, take me as I am. Baby, it's magic, and we turn that love to red. Come here, 'cause it's love. Hold you for my life.
We are going to pick Ariana up from school. Oh my god, the weather.
Hold you for my life.
Billion vibes on vibes, I'm a ticking dynamite. I blow your candle lights. You know I'm just that type. No, them no fit kill my vibe. Them no fit kill my vibe. No fit kill, them no fit kill. Them no fit kill my eyes are set, full of the stars. Yeah, you shall find her. It's a bad vibe. If you hit your enemies, enemies shine. If you're not a friend of me, enter the light. 'Cause you can never kill my vibe. But here with no sacrifices. Everything was taken, you have to make it. Vibe killer, me I no go take shit. Vibe killer.
How you doing? Hi. Kevin, come say hi to my vlog. It's looking cute. Oh my god, see Ariana.
Hi.
So how you doing? Are you enjoying the vlog? Are you enjoying the vlog?
I see you watching my stories. I see you getting my lifestyle. I see you watching my movements. This bad beat bad every day. I know the look of your face. Bad man bad every day. Get on your knees and pray. Do you regain your faith?
So currently, I'm about to go to Ashley to get some few stuff here, and I'll take you out with me. Yeah, let me show you Ariana's bag. It's so funny, like so small, and that's her name tag right here. And it's her name tag. Oh, sorry. That's so cute. Ariana, come and say hi. That's Ariana, our baby girl. Sure.
You know I'm just that type. No, nothing kill my vibe. Nothing kill my vibe. You nothing kill. You nothing kill. You nothing kill my vibe. Brand new. He's acting like they running shit they really ran through. I spent that 500 before I ever trapped you. They thought I was gon' fall off. I hate to bring you bad news. So many rays, a bitch can't even see the flow. From Atlanta to LA, the only time I'm back and forth. She make you pay, rich, get you both. Made a Bentley to valet and let that try to boat. Let me pop off, leave the club, sloppy drunk, come home and get my rocks off. From the south, you tryna see me knock your socks off. Told them meet me at the top, think they got lost. She thought I would kiss her, she must ain't took a mix. Around my neck, it cost arm and leg. Swear they said for life, I let them give me praise. I done it all, feel like shot it low. Left me to the pain, but she
set it up, then put it on the floor.
I don't know what y'all been told. Bitch, your man know if you don't, what's happening?
Smoking on that gas, blunt, biggest coloration. Just like to run they mouth, but I'm the type to run a face. When your diamonds hit like this, you don't never see the shade. Got the key to my city, they gave me a holiday. All kind of shit. Let me pull my diamond tester out. Counterfeit.
I wanna be in your life until the night is over. I wanna hold you so tight, coming closer. It's been a hell of a ride, but every single moment you were there by my side. You make me feel low. I never know. Get there for my soul. Wherever you are, girl, that's where I call my home. I never know. I'll be there. I want to be dancing with you forever. You see through the storm, take me as I am. Baby, it's magic, every time I look together. Come with us, hold you for life.
I like bad bitches, 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 bad bitches. We 100 things, we 100 things, so we up. We 100 things, we 100 things, we 100 things, we 100 things, so we up. We 100 things, we 100 things. Everybody swear they know about us, but you only know what I told you. You only know what I showed you. Done lost too many soldiers. Put my hands up. We only get older. And only get older. You can't sit with us. I like bad bitches, bad bitches, bad bitches.
I could blame it on the physical. I could blame it on your lips, your touch, your kiss, you know.
Hi all, so I'm back home and it's currently 8:16 and I'm about to wrap something here. Let me show y'all how it looks. It's actually my wrapper, yeah, and this is what I'm about to wrap here for my brother because it's almost his birthday. I mean, why not? So yeah, wrap it with me, then we end this video. So let's get into business. Oh my god, today I've been wearing this all the time. I don't know what's wrong with me, but then yeah, it is what it is.
Baby, it's the everything for me. For me, for me. 'Cause baby, it's the everything for me. For me, for me. Baby, it's the everything for me.
Hi also, I'm done with the package and this is how it looks for now. Yeah, that'll be my weekend vlog. Hopefully you enjoy. Make sure you like, comment, share and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. Peace out.